how to fix Snapchat camera rotate problem in seconds. So if you want to fix your Snapchat camera rotate problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have an internet connection, then you might find this kind of problems. Once you've done with your internet connection, you need to move on to the next solution, which is you need to restart the Snapchat application. Like if you are using your Snapchat application, or if you've used previously, then you need to go with your background and then just remove the app from your background and then restart or relaunch the Snapchat application, and it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to check for permissions. So tap and hold on to your Snapchat application and then go with the app info section. Once you're on your app info, you will need to go with permissions section, and from permissions, make sure that you have allowed the camera access. After allowing the camera access, your problem might be fixed. Or the next fix is to clear the cache. Tap on storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side, and after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, whichever device you're using, and then you need to search for Snapchat. After searching for Snapchat, if you have any updates on your Snapchat, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, you can open up your Snapchat and it will fix your camera rotate problem. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.